So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So last video we are doing mathematics in parallel. So last video was about sets. Okay, so if you have already seen that video, now we will continue with gate questions, previous year questions on sets only. So if you have watched this video, you will understand this, or even if you haven't watched and if you have knowledge about sets, so this video you can start watching. I will do some questions on sets. I found some questions on set, and let's do that. Then we will move on to relations. There are a lot of things, relations and functions, and in relations there's a huge thing. So I thought it's better to do questions here. Then after relations it will be like a lot of things to do at the same time. So one thing I want to say that, so thank you for people who are watching my videos, who they see, I want to say that I don't want to say that I take my guidance like that. I am not a very experienced person. I have just given gate. So I'm thankful to whoever, honestly I'm thankful to anyone who texts me in wherever, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Telegram, mail, everything. I'm really thankful to you guys from the deep core of my heart. So all the comments, the good comments I get and everything, like today I was before I was trying to make videos, but then WhatsApp group juniors who are going to appear next year gate, so they are asking questions, and also I honestly like answering questions. So there are some of you asked me to make videos on COPE. Okay, so I have already mentioned whatever I knew in that WhatsApp group only. A lot of people are there, so I hope you have understand, but still you are asking for videos. I will also again suggest you, please watch Siddharth live or Yourpedia, these videos, Yourpedia. Okay, so they are a lot more knowledge, they have a lot more knowledge about all this than me. I just had to help from them only. So I told you whatever I need, I know. So I'm really thankful to every one of you who wanted guidance for what test it is, what subjects and everything they are asking. So I'm really thankful, and I get so many good messages. So on this, another thing is that I get negative comments also. Okay, so just before that, I haven't seen his name also. I was trying to make videos, so I was just so disheartened. He told me, कैसे तुमको IIT मिल गया? by like this, how did you get IIT in this rank? Okay, so in this rank, how did you get IIT? So like this, yesterday I posted a video. See, not to brag, okay, I am not those who know personally, I am not a person who can brag. Okay, I am the person who has the least confidence that I will get anything in good in my life. Okay, so like this, in 12th also, in BTech, everywhere I have been this like my whole life. So whenever someone, I just put this video yesterday, this shorts video, just to show you this. If a person like me, like who is so timid and everything, who has got through so many problems, I can get IIT, you can too. So it wasn't about to brag anything, but it was about to give you, even if a 1% motivational or inspiration I can give you from this, that I can do it, so you can get a lot better than me. Okay, so but people ask me, yesterday also I was so depressed. I do exercises, because you can see I'm out of shape. I'm a swimmer, not I don't do exercises, so I couldn't do anything yesterday in the morning. Because I was like, so many people negative comments I got, that guys today is like, कैसे तुमको IIT मिल गया? So yesterday also some people, even one of my friend, okay, not I was such a good friend from TCA, he told me like show me your scorecard of this year, that is main, like this. Like he was asking and telling me all the nonsense, and then I deleted his contact. Okay, so I was so sad, because after that I spoke with my uncle, my Jetu. He's like, he always gives, even you are at the least at your worst, he will give something good advice, so like that. Okay, so even I spoke with my psychiatrist, Dr. Dash. He also told me to stay away from negativity. See, when you are doing something, you will get positive comments and also negative comments. You have to accept it. I know I have to accept it, but then it's hard to accept also in the same way. So I'm trying to avoid all those things. So I will really suggest or request you, please don't do negative comments, okay? So it hurts. Just if you have doubts in me, just don't watch my videos, don't just stay away from my videos, and anything, don't don't see or anything, I don't know. If you are in WhatsApp messages or Telegram groups, you are there, you can just block me. I'm telling you, just block me. So but don't do negative comments. I'm requesting you, don't come and personally come at me and comments. See, my friends are there who are already doing this, taking personally and giving comments, which really hurt me, really did a number on me. So I am requesting you, please don't do this, okay? So if you are a better student, you can get whatever you want, and you will get guidance from better teachers around on YouTube or anything. So in my college, my junior only, he texted me and asked me something. Then somehow he is asking how you get IIT, how, what this, what that, etc. So many negative comments. Even my own college junior is doing this. So what can I expect from others? So again, please block me. I'm not blocking you, you block me. So like this, and whatever if you can block videos, anything. You will, what I don't know about this YouTube, but at least I can tell you that block me. So like this. But on the plus side, there are a lot of people who are appreciating me, and I am really thankful to you. Yesterday only I accepted someone's just LinkedIn request. I do take requests. I do whatever request I get, I open. Whenever I open LinkedIn, I get a spirit. If I see, I will accept your request. So this guy who texted me so many, asked me so many questions, and I answered them most of all with my whatever knowledge I have. So he was so telling me that thank you so much for telling me this. I am trying to reach, I will get IIT Kharagpur next year, I will meet you there. I was like, you will get IIT Bombay, but target for IIT Bombay or IIT Bangalore. Don't and get the best whatever you can. So like this. Even in Instagram also people text me, so I have to, if I have to remember everything whoever texted me, so that's not possible. I got a lot of good comments, and see, when I started this YouTube channel, I thought nobody is going to watch, okay? So I just was like this. I told you how this underconfident I am. Whatever I do, I feel like I am the worst at it. So this is it. I'm trying to do better with consulting doctors and all. So I'm trying better. I'm trying to be a little bit optimistic, but it will take some time. So thank you all for whoever is giving good compliments and watching my videos. I thank you with my bottom of my heart. So I don't know, I have taken a lot of time of yours. If you have watched this, thank you for that. So now just let's go to the questions, okay? So now let's see we have done sets, the basic concepts, so we will do questions now. So let's see this question first. This question, 1993 1 mark question, okay? So this question says let S be an infinite set. So this is the whole set is an infinite set, and S1, S2, Sn be the sets, okay? So what is this? S1 union, S2 union, S till Sn, these are all union, and the major set is forming, which is S, okay? So and S is infinite, okay? So then at least one of the set is finite. Number B, not more than one set in SI can be, actually I think SI and total, I think SI can be finite. They haven't mentioned SI, okay? So I think that the whole total thing is SI. You have to take this like this. At least one of the set SI is infinite, okay? Not more than one set SI is an infinite set. So the option correct is C, okay? Even you don't know anything about set, this is logical, okay? See, you are taking union of so many sets, 1, 2, S3 Sn. So if it is and it is mentioned that the total one is infinite, okay? So the total of all this has to be infinite. So there at least, okay, so at least, at most, everything we will do in depth in STOC and also, but still at least one of them has to be infinite, then only you will get the total set S as infinite, okay? So this is very important. So this one is correct. All are telling about finite, so wrong. So now the why option D is not correct. Not more than one of the sets in SI is an infinite set. Okay, so this is not true. Both S1 and S2 can be infinite at the same time. Okay, so it is nothing like that. If both are infinite and all are finite, then it is also infinite. If all are infinite, then it is also infinite. Okay, so you cannot just tell that it has to be one set which is infinite. So basically that's the reason why this option D is false. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. And the next one is, so there are a lot GATE 1996 1 mark question. So A and B are sets. Okay, so this is given that A and B are sets. So we have already seen how to do the Venn diagram in previous video only. So A and B are set. So this is coming bracket of A minus B union B minus A union A intersection B is equal to. So from looking this, and you have to find whichever it is correct option is a bit tricky. So better option is always do Venn diagram, then you will get the answer correctly. Okay, so like this. So it was given that A complement is this is A complement, B complement, etc. was written. So I haven't written it down, so you can see, check the question. Anyway, I have taken the important points. So this is, let's say this is, no sorry, don't put anything here. This is A, this is B, and this is universe. So this is 1, let's say this is 2, 3 and 4. So now let's find out what is this. A minus B. Okay, then union B minus A, union A intersection B. So now what is this? So A minus B, I have already said you can write like this, 1 2 minus 2 3. See, you can write like this, 1 2 minus 2 3. Okay, so a little bit of practice, you can directly write this. Okay, so A minus B, B portion will be gone, so it will be only 1. So you can write like this and you can get 1 as answer. I am talking about this part only. Okay, so that A minus B, or you can just write A minus B as 1. So with practice you can do more easily. Okay, with time efficiently, you can use time efficiently. So A minus B is basically 1 union B minus A. So this is total is B, you are taking out A portion, so remaining is 3. Then A intersection B. So A intersection B is this part, this. So it is actually whole 1 2 3 everything. So 1 2 3 everything will be A union B. So A union B will be 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3 everything is present. So A union B. So I think nothing like that. Okay, A complement union B complement. A complement will be A other than, so what is, see, A is 1 and 2. So A complement will be other than whatever this is having. So 3 and 4. So like this. You can answer this, you can find it out, but since this one is easy and you can just check it out, like this is 1 2 3, this is combination of all this 1 2 3 is basically A union B. So I haven't checked, so this is false, and A intersection B is 2 only. This is also false, sorry, this is also false. These are all wrong. Okay, so only this option is 2. So you can check it out like this. Okay, I hope you have understood this. We will do more and more questions on sets. Then we will do relations. See, relations has so many topics, reflexive relations. So you have to be very consistent here. You have to understand I think everything properly, and we will do questions and all, so don't need to worry about this. So let's now just focus on sets. Okay, so if you love watching my videos, please do subscribe to my channel. Okay, only if you love. If you hate, don't subscribe. So please do subscribe if you love watching my videos. And that's it, that's a request, if you so that it can reach more and more people like this. So I will meet in next video.